Ladies and gentlemen, this is the control panel or the control unit of the robot. This is the source of the commands that we are going to give the robot. It comes from the phone. There's an app that you have to install on your phone. Quickly, let me just find the app on my phone. When you get into the phone, then the first thing that you have to do is to pair the robot with the phone using Bluetooth software. Or any kind of remote control connectivity. There is my control panel. It just has a few settings and then it will be all systems go after that. Okay, there is the interface of the control panel. It has basic commands for the robot. There is the switch that turns it to the left or to the right, and the other one can turn it can make it move either forward or backwards. So with those two basic functions, this robot can do each and every task that we want it to perform. So on the phone, let me just remove this banner. On the phone, the control panel has its settings. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. My phone is very old. It keeps on freezing every now and then, but I'm sure it is going to allow us to perform a few settings there. Now that you have switched on the robot, you have to search for it using the connectivity function, and there it is going to display the name of the robot is the cab car, and its version number. I'm not sure if it's going to be necessary at this point, but yes, once you see the name of the robot, then you can just connect it to your device. After that, then you are going to be having the entire robot within your control. So you can also customize the voice commands. You can tell it to go forward or backwards using your own voice. That feature is for interchanging the layout. You can move the left or right button to the right of the screen and move the up and down button either to the left or the right of the screen. So you can also customize the control features of the robot. As we have mentioned, it can either move forward or backwards. It can move to the left or to the right. You can, if you want, control how fast or how slow it is going to be performing those movements. You can, after this, you just click confirm there. You can set 5 seconds for it to turn to the left or to the right, especially when it comes to stopping. If your robot is going to be carrying liquids, let me put it that way, you don't want it to stop exactly immediately within a second or two, otherwise it is going to spill the liquids, so you'd want it to slow down. So your stop feature could be set maybe at about 10 or 15 seconds just to delay it so that it can stop gradually, not immediately or abruptly. So from there, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we're going to be doing. The control panel is now on the phone. It has been set up and the phone has been paired with the robot, and the robot does have the electricity which is coming obviously from the batteries, because I charged them fully this morning. So after this, we are going to talk about how to use this control panel to give the commands to the robot. That is going to be the testing phase or the final phase of this exercise. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Up to now, see you in the next phase.